Morning, everybody. How's everyone doing today? So we have a moment where we did get hit. Okay. This morning we're trying to get bounce off this support. Okay. And unfortunately got hit, right? So now this box. You look at the 2 hour. We have a strong bearish candle. I mean, look at that. Market cipher called the X here. This was the first indication, the red dot here and then the red X here on market cipher A. We pulled back up off of that support, but obviously wicked in and now dramatically dropping. So we did get into a short. Let me show you where we're at. Got in here. Really small stop loss. I was just lucky enough to catch it there. I honestly think this could run down to 83. We'll just call it a whole number. Whole numbers are always better. And I think this could play out. I really do. I mean, honestly, we might even come down all the way to there. We could possibly. But what I'm seeing now is this. I think we could come down to even 81 area down here, like 81.5. But let's just see how it plays out. ETH, on the other hand, I mean, I really would rather wait for this long idea because this is where rally, base, rally. This is strong. There's money sitting here. And I knew the market would want to come down and grab it. It was so frustrating. So I was shorting Solana last night, but I already closed it. I closed it down here and tried going long on Sol. I wish I would have held my short. I really do. It is what it is. This is just part of the game, we had a lot of momentum building to the downside, the red X's. This is why market cipher is it's a huge help. You could see that the whole money flow shifted. Like you can see when we're up here, money flows to the upside. We slowly decrease, and then we're really losing the flow, right? A little bit. We come down here, and even when it hits the green dot and rises, the money flow never gets to the upside. And this is a really powerful tool. Sorry about that, guys. So, oh yeah, this is coming down big time. This is on Sol. Fuck, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take Sol on short. I really think this is gonna dump. I think it's gonna dump. Green hasn't loaded, but I'm okay with that. Oh yeah, this is what's weird. Solana is not loading on the 5-minute today. On Blowfin, it's really weird. Maybe I jumped too early. Might have pulled the trigger too early. We'll see. We are hitting some support. Oops, on this chart. I think we'll be okay. Oh shit. Could be a pump fake. Unless all of a sudden, unless somehow we just get a crazy pump to the upside and just totally destroys my plan. But there's no support here. I mean, sure, we got a BS trend line, but if anything, we're going to come back to here and then really drop. I mean, there's nothing. Well, I guess there's over here. There is, some. I just think it'd be an insane spot for it to pump to the upside. I mean, but it's crypto, anything's possible. Let's go look at dominance today. On the 4-hour. Look at that. We reacted to this support zone that I marked up yesterday video. But what I'm seeing now is I think we're going to pop up to here and come down, which means altcoins could rally next. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. I'm calling this early. Yeah, and it would make sense because then ETH would go up. Sol would go up. And like Sol's in this major support zone that we marked up on the 382, but this could get broken. XRP dominance is just non-stop. It's just not stopping. Others, total. Stables. Remember, we want stables to come down. Total market caps on a little breakout. This is good. We want it to bounce from here. Want market cap, total market cap, to push from here. When you get back to the 3 trillion. Fart coin just keeps going. Zero bro is on a pump. Pepe was pumping. Broke the trend line on the 4-hour. This would have been a great buy right here. To go down. I mean, it was, yeah. Could have got a good move from here. Like 15%. Yeah, we're going bearish today. Ondo is right on that trend line from the downside, but we did break out of it. So, it's not like the greatest. It doesn't really, it's not a big deal. Did print some red X's. Failed to break. Gonna have to just watch, see what it does. Aerodrome. Having a tough time lately. Fetch AI. Jupiter really having a tough time as well. WorldCoin. We're basically all in the same. Today's a weird day. Casper did break this resistance on the hour. Uniswap's been breaking out too. Uniswap really broke out. I mean, 30% move. Chainlink broke out of the resistance, but it's not looking I mean, it isn't some internal support, but it's nothing crazy. XRP, same thing. XRP broke out big time too, but it came up to this. Now you see, came up to the real resistance level, and now we're declining. So, gotta see what it's gonna do because it's basically in this little wedge right now. It's like perfectly in a wedge. So, but honestly, this could come down and break out, or it could break below, obviously. That you can Sui's breaking down. Everything's gonna be going down right now, obviously. Did the same as XRP, came up to the major resistance on the hour. But we do have strong support here. Floor ceiling. We can literally fib the floor to the ceiling right now. See where, I mean, we could make a move from the 618, but always the 886, 786 is stronger, in my opinion. Yeah, not the greatest day, guys. Really not. Not really. Not a lot going on. We're gonna have to wait and see. Okay, so our move is playing out. Barely in profit, but it's starting to run. Dude, WEX has been really slow, laggy. I'm gonna take the same short on WEX. The thing I like about WEX is when you type in your stop loss, you can see what the what you're risking, right? So this would be an awesome move. We can get it. I have to wait and see what it does. Not showing us what we want to see. There we go. Taking a minute. There we go. Okay. Now, let's see if we got anything on X. I know that
everyone at the Blockworks Digital Assets Summit. It's an honor to speak with you about how the United States is going to dominate crypto and the next generation of financial technologies. And it's not going to be easy, but we're way ahead. Just 2 weeks ago, we hosted the first ever White House Digital Asset Summit, bringing together many of the world's top leaders in crypto for a conversation led by our White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs, who's a fantastic and very brilliant guy. That same week, I signed an order creating the brand new strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile, which will allow the federal government to maximize the value of its holdings instead of foolishly selling them for a fraction of their long-term value, which is exactly what Biden did. He got a fraction of their value. We're ending the last administration's regulatory war on crypto and Bitcoin, and that includes stopping the lawless Operation Choke Point 2.0. Operation Choke Point went beyond regulation, and I mean far beyond. It was a form of lawfare through government weaponization. Frankly, it was a disgrace.
Yeah.
But as of January 20th, 2025, all of that is over. I've also called on Congress to pass landmark legislation creating simple, common sense rules for stablecoins and market structure. With the right legal framework, institutions large and small will be liberated to invest, innovate, and take part in one of the most exciting technological revolutions in modern history. It's so big, it's, I think, as big as you can get. Pioneers like you will be able to improve our banking and payment system and promote greater privacy, safety, security, and wealth for American consumers and businesses alike. You will unleash an explosion of economic growth, and with the dollar-backed stablecoins, you'll help expand the dominance of the U.S. dollar. And many, many years to come, it'll be at the top, and that's where we want to keep it. We only want to keep it at the top, always. I can already see that the energy and passion of the crypto community is the kind of spirit that built our country, and it is exciting to watch as you invent the future of finance. And right here, it's going to be right here in the USA, the good old USA. Together, we will make America the undisputed Bitcoin superpower and the crypto capital of the world. Thank you. Good luck. God bless America.
Manufacturing index 12.5. Current account negative 304 billion. Existing home sales it went up. It went up. The data is not as bad as everyone's been thinking it will be. The data coming out has been actually better than what we've been expecting. Okay. Next week on Monday, we have PMI. On Monday, that's crazy. Usually it's not on Monday. Tuesday, we got some consumer conference, new home sales. Core durable goods. Unemployment, GDP on next Thursday, final GDP for the quarter. And then we got core price index. There we go. Drop, baby, drop. Drop. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. We're looking at the Forex pairs, guys. Obviously we're holding some support here. Boom. Doesn't look too bad. Holding the support. Now let's look at gold. It's hitting 30.41. It just keeps going, dude. Wow. It just keeps going. Gold is just going insane. S&P's dropping. US 100, US NASDAQ dropping, US 30 broke out and now dropping. DXY is dropping. Yeah, this is what I love about Market Cipher. I mean, even though we're pumping here, the money flow is still just not strong enough. You know what I mean? And you can see this. And this is just the free. I mean, I love this indicator. I really do. You could have seen that when we pumped to here, it would be short-lived and probably drop back down. Even though we broke out technically, we went up to the wick. It's showing that the money flow is just too on the downside. For the bears. Look at that. Here we go. Gold, though, will keep pumping. Oil and gas. GDP. There we go. I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. Okay, I am back. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That trade is playing out perfectly. Looks like Solana's lagging a little bit. Come on, man. Let's get it together. But BTC is definitely dropping well. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Setting up my TikTok live, by the way. Give me one sec. Give me 1 second.
Person you want to become.
All right. We are in the zone. All right, guys. So we are still dropping like it's hot. Actually, this is sideways. Let me go like this. Hold on, getting it ready. Oh shit! Woo! Boom. Dude, what in the fuck? Hold up, guys. There we go. Okay. Boom. How's everyone doing? Let me lock this in. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's good right there. Okay. So, Bitcoin is heavily dropping. We are doing great. So we took this trade. Oh yeah, this is definitely dropping. Now Solana's gotta be dropping. Okay, there we go. Look at ETH. You didn't take the ETH idea. Can't take too many trades. So for ETH though, I want to see it come down to here and then see how it reacts. But we could be waiting to go long here. How's everyone doing? We are live trading crypto. Thank you for joining in. We did have a little spike to the upside, but the money flow is coming down. We want to see Bitcoin continue to drop. So, for everyone tuning in on TikTok, welcome. So we took, I'm recording on YouTube. You can join my YouTube channel, All In with Mitch, all one word, just like on the TikTok. Follow, like, subscribe. This morning we took trade idea for a short on Bitcoin and Solana. Both of them are playing out as we speak live, okay? I wasn't live on TikTok when I took the trades, but I was recording on YouTube. And you can see why I took the trade and what my reason was on my YouTube video. But yeah, subscribe, like, follow on TikTok, but also YouTube and X. Matter of fact, let's post this over to X real quick. Let me share to X to come. Okay, had to post it, share the link for X. Everyone that's jumping in, welcome. We are live. Let's see, let's put it on Telegram too. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now we are ready. So I just had to share the link to my X account and my Telegram group. If you guys want to learn how to trade exclusively, DM me anytime. I promise I will respond. And if you really want to learn how to trade, just hit me up. So right now we took this short idea on BTC and Solana. Both of them are doing mighty fun already. We are getting a little bit of reaction right now. Let's see though. I mean, yes, we were hitting some support down here. Do I think it's enough to take us out of the trade? Not really, honestly. Not too worried about this zone. I'm more so, I don't know. We will see. We will see. But this could be 83,400 could be our take profit. We're just not the money flow on the market cipher is definitely on the downside. It would take a big push to get us out of this. For everyone joining in, please like, subscribe, follow. I go live on TikTok and I film for YouTube every day. Please go over to the X account and my YouTube account to subscribe. All of my accounts on my socials are just type in all in with Mitch, all one word, and you will find me on everything. But on YouTube, I have longer videos that are helping people learn how to trade, and we are getting good results on the trades that we take on live and on the videos. I'm trying to go live on TikTok every day to build it up more and more. So, for you guys that have tuned in for the second or third time, thank you. I appreciate it. Keep watching because we're going to just keep hitting these trades and helping you guys learn how to trade. So, while I got everyone on here, does anyone have a coin, a stock, a commodity, a Forex pair that you want me to look over? Anyone have anything that you want me to mark up on the charts? I will tell you what I think. Thank you for joining, guys. Hello, hello. Anyone? We are currently in this BTC short, Bitcoin short. We're gonna see how it plays out. Doing great. Thank you for the likes, everyone. I appreciate them. I also appreciate a follow on here and on YouTube. Just type in all in with Mitch, all one word. Right here is my YouTube page. I make a lot of different videos about trading and just what I see in the market. Obviously, the YouTube page it is harder to gain followers. It takes more time and commitment, I will admit. But TikTok, I appreciate you guys too. If anyone has a coin, stock, commodity that you want me to look at, I can go over it. Welcome, Dominion Enterprises. How are you doing? Hello, Sparky. How's it going, my man? Christina, hello. Tone 733, hello. Or 133, sorry. Oh, BTC is continuing to go. It's gonna, I knew it. It's gonna fly right through here. It's gonna slice this like butter. Watch. I have a feeling it's gonna slice this support over here. Let's see what else is going on. Stewie is breaking down even quicker than BTC. I will want to see what Stewie does once we get down here. I mean, you guys gotta remember, we can't just go long every single day. Like, we got a good push up to the upside yesterday. Fortunately, I didn't even catch it, and I have to be honest with you. And yesterday I went live and I explained it was a good demonstration for not FOMOing into a trade. You know, like I woke up a little bit later than usual. I woke up at like 6 a.m. instead of 5:30. I looked and the market was already pumping, and I just, I couldn't find the entry to get in. I wish I got in, let's see, on this pullback at 10 a.m. I missed this. And yeah, I could have got another ride up on Sui. Or let's look at XRP. I mean, this thing just went bananas at 5:30 a.m. Like I said, I woke up at 6. So I missed this, right? XRP just went insane. But right now we are in this zone or this channel, and it's gonna break this. And let's fib this because we gotta find our entry. Okay, let's just fib this. We're about to hit the 5, but I really like this 7.1 to 7.86 area. To be honest with you, I mean, I like the 8.86, but we might just come down to here, which would be $2.32, and then rally. Let me just get rid of that. It's just kind of confusing. I don't want to have too much stuff on the charts. Hello, everyone that's joining. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? If anybody wants me to look at a coin, a stock, anything you want me to look at, I will go over it on the charts. Hello, everyone that's joining. What's going on? What's going on? We are currently in this Bitcoin short idea that I called out on my YouTube. I wasn't live on TikTok yet. I apologize. But we took this and the Solana short. We are in profits on both of them. They are running very well. So let's see what happens. Solana is hitting some support right now, I have to admit. Bitcoin is also hitting some support. I was hoping we would just slice right through it, but it is reacting. This is where we have to watch closely. So I'm going to show you why I took the first trade. So I will admit, I did at first try going long. I thought we did break above here, right? We broke above. We came down into this support, and then we rallied, broke this, okay? When we came back down, I thought maybe, just maybe, we would rally back and go higher, right? But I definitely was a little nervous. I wasn't 100% on it. And get rid of these lines. And then, so as soon as I saw this break down, we got 2 green candles coming in on the 5-minute that came back and tapped in. And I was looking at the money flow in the market cipher down here, and I was like, okay, we're gonna milk to the downside. And sure enough, as you see, we are right now. Okay, we got another. This is on the 1-minute chart. We got some movement to the downside. There we go. I mean, if you look at the money flow, look at this. I mean, we are dramatically in the red to the bears. I mean, Solana was the same thing. We reacted back up. I did get in actually like here. Not gonna front. It was more like that. John Allen, welcome. If anyone has a coin, a stock, a commodity, Crypto King, what's up? What's going on, my man? So we took this BTC, for everyone tuning in, we took this BTC idea. It is now in profits, doing very well. We're just waiting to see how this plays out. Haven't fully decided where my take profit's going to be, but I'm thinking about 83,000. Remember, we like whole numbers. The whole numbers always hit. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. We are in this BTC short. Oh, here we go. We're dropping like it's hot. You got to talk to the charts, man. Come on, baby. Come on down. Come on. Let's keep going. There we go. Keep coming down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. I think we might come down there. 126. That is actually... Here we go. But on the bigger picture, I mean, Solana failed to break above this resistance up here, as we can see, the red box. And that's okay. We could be coming down into here and then rallying off of this trend line. Could be. I'm not saying for sure. I'm just saying could be. All right. We will see when we get down. I mean, the 122 could also... We could be coming down to 122. So, just saying, we don't know yet. We got major red candle to the downside in the 1 hour. We are definitely bearish today. Okay. And if you go look, it makes sense. Go look at the SP 500. It did initially rally up. The dollar is actually dropping, which usually is bullish. bullish for assets like crypto and stocks. Nasdaq, US 30. Let's look at the VIX volatility index. We are declining. The volatility in the market is coming down. Gold is doing great. 3,036 an ounce. That is crazy. Obviously all-time highs. But if anyone has a stock, welcome everybody. How's everyone going, man? If anyone has a stock, a commodity, I wish I would have gotten live a little bit sooner so you guys could have caught this trade with me. I apologize. That is my fault. I promise tomorrow to go live immediately. But if you follow my YouTube page, All In with Mitch, you will catch these. I mean, I'm also live, or I also am recording videos for my YouTube page, All In with Mitch. It's all one word though when you type it in. Just like the TikTok, All In with Mitch. I appreciate the likes, the follows, the comments. I always respond. And if you want to learn how to trade, guys, just hit me up, DM me on TikTok. I will always respond if you're really trying to learn how to trade. I got you. I got you. I got you. I'm a part of a company that is by far the #1 education platform in the world. There's nothing that even competes with what we're doing. Welcome everybody that's joining in. We are trading live crypto. We are in a short on BTC and Solana, and they are both riding in profits as we speak. This is what we like to see, right? Hey, the beautiful thing about day trading is you're making money. You can make money if we're dropping down or if we're going up. It doesn't matter. Give me 1 second, guys. My dog just... Oh, man. Not cool, not cool. Polka. Okay. All right. I apologize, everybody. Had a little puppy accident, my dog. But thank you, everyone that is joining. I appreciate the likes, the follows, subscribe, everybody. So we are in a Bitcoin short and a Solana short, and both of them are doing well. So let's see. I wanted to ask if anyone has a coin, thoughts on AAPL. I'm swing long at 210, took 50% today at 216. Good job, my man. Okay, let me look at AAPL. AAPL. Or yeah, it's Apple. Duh. I got Apple. There it is. First stock on my list. So, okay, you went long at, what was it again? Swing long at 210. Okay, I'm guessing this is about 210 right here. Okay, so my man took long right here at 210. Took profits at 216, he said. Great idea. I don't know where your stop loss was. Let's just say it was there. That right there is a 1.6. I took a loss on XRP. I'm currently holding gold now. Looking for a break back up. We will go over XRP and gold next. Okay, Apple. Let's do this, my friend. First off, we're going to go to the daily. We are going to bib it up, top to or bottom to top, because we're looking for buys, obviously. So we are in a great level of support on the 618 to the 5. We tapped the 5, the 0.5, and now we're up, going up. But remember, we did break all this support right here. We broke that, right? So we are definitely in a bearish sentiment on the daily. You always got to look from the bird's eye view, meaning you got to go. We are very extremely printing bearish candles on the 4 hour. Go to the 1 hour. Market ciphers calling a red X right there. My man, we failed to break here and here. We are dropping now, and I promise you, Apple is about to go lower. If I was you, I would most likely, I would close the entire trade. Not most likely. I would close the entire trade, my man. We are printing more and more bearish candles. We failed to break. We failed to break here and here. This is definitely going to break this support. This is nothing. This little trend line, that's getting broke. This is getting broke. It already did get broke. And I don't think 212 is going to hold. I think it's going to slice right through it. So the next thing, XRP and gold. I trade both of those religiously. So XRP, we pumped. I don't know where you bought. You're not making money with all that garbage on your screen. Will Marsh, I know what I'm looking at. Thank you. Let me see your results. Anyway, so you see the channel that we made. We failed to break here, and now we printed a red X on the market cipher A. Yeah, stop loss is at break even. I just closed the entire trade, Sparky. I definitely would. Will Marsh, yeah, let me know if you want me to look at anything. No hard feelings, but there's a method to my madness, and I know what I'm looking at on the charts. But yeah, I appreciate the comment, my friend. Yeah, I closed out for, oh yeah, Tricka, my bad. I thought Sparky was. So XRP broke the channel just now. Market Cipher was literally telling us the money flow was dramatically dropping. So we were going bearish even here. When we were pumping here, the money flow was dying down. Basically letting us know, right? Now, what I see for XRP now, like I marked up this box, the 786 to the 71. I want to see what it does here, how it reacts to this level, because we could possibly, because you got to remember, XRP broke the resistance here, and then we tapped into the major up there. But I think we could still break above it. I think this could get broken next. Okay, and this could be a nice swing trade. The Trump summit tomorrow, or the one that, so I am creating a disc, Tricka. I don't have a Telegram or a Discord just yet, but I'm working on it. I do have my X account and my YouTube account and my TikTok account. I would appreciate everyone to follow all of them. I post on all three of them every day. All in with Mitch, one word. Also my Instagram. You can get me on Instagram too. Just literally type in all in with Mitch. So I'll be honest with you. I started buying XRP at 30 cents back in 2022 because I knew what we were preparing for. I know the 4-year cycles, right? I know I basically was catching the bottom of the run, okay, on XRP. For a swing, I'm holding it long term already. Good job, good job. But what do I see in the short term? This is what I see in the short term, what we could do next. So I honestly think that XRP, it really depends, because we broke out, we're extremely bullish, but then this resistance over here, we failed to break it, right? This is the major resistance, the external liquidity of the structure, meaning this is internal because it's inside the entire structure from here to here. This is internal. We broke that, but we failed to break the external liquidity, okay? If you guys want to learn more and more about day trading, DM me. I got you. Yeah, 30-cent gang. DM me. I promise you, man, I got the top education. I didn't create it, but it's a company that I'm a part of. If you really want to learn how to really, really trade, there is nothing like what I can offer. But yeah, follow my pages for free content. That's a no-brainer. My TikTok, my X, and my YouTube, all in with Mitch. Oh, and Instagram. Follow me on there. I need to start posting more on Instagram, though. I do. So I think $2.30 would be the next level that we're going to go down to. And I want to see how it reacts there first, though. Okay? Obviously, I'm looking for some long ideas that could be going to a swing trade for the upside. But I need to see how it reacts at 230 and 226, because we could come down to the 220 area too, like 225-ish, 226. But I also think 230 and 233 could be a great zone. That's why I marked this up. Doesn't mean I'm going to instantly take the trade when it hits here. I need to see like a break and a retest when it gets down here. I need to see something that's signaling that we are going to the upside. And you got to remember too, tomorrow's Friday. Markets, at Friday afternoon, then they die down. Wall Street, the big players, they're all going to close their positions, take profits, and then go on about the weekend. So we need to be mindful of what day it is, what news is going on. We had major news with FOMC yesterday. But today we did have unemployment claims, and they actually came out better than expected. And then we also had unemployment claims, and then existing home sales was higher than expected. So what I'm getting at is like everyone's in fear of the economy right now, but the data is showing that we're actually doing better than everyone is, putting out on the news. The data is showing better numbers than expected every week. We're getting better and better numbers, which is good, right? Yesterday, they did say the inflation numbers did come up a tad bit. Not much, but still, overall, we're seeing positive data on a lot of different things, like existing home sales, unemployment numbers, etc., okay? Now, the next thing, let me check this Bitcoin trade. Still riding in profits. We're doing very well. Let me just see something. Getting a green candle. Gold. Gold is just doing amazing, guys. Gold is killing it. Like, seriously, gold is... I do trade, by the way, I trade Forex. Yeah, right now I'm trading gold. But, now we need to let it die down. I'm hoping, like I marked up. So I trade Forex. I mainly trade gold, Euro USD, and then the indices on Forex. I used to trade a bunch of other pairs when I first started, but I quit doing all that. Just like I pick, my main cryptos I trade. I mainly trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, SUI, and XRP. Those are my main ones. If you guys don't know about SUI, SUI, SUI is a fucking amazing project. I started getting in on a long-term buy on just spot back at like 40 cents. We literally hit $5.30 or something like that, the all-time high in the last, I don't know, last year, 6 months or something like that, last 6 months. But we are now on SUI. I want to see it come down here before anything, like down here, more like it. It did what XRP did, and you guys see what I'm saying. SUI moves really fast like XRP, and it's very powerful. It broke the internal resistance, and just like XRP, came up to the external, and it failed to break it, just like XRP. It literally looks almost identical. And I think SUI, if I remember right, is an American crypto. Yep, KOT Forex. Yeah, I use KOT Forex. Dude, do not, no. I use KOT Forex for just Forex. Do not trade crypto on there. Oh my God. Do not trade crypto on there, bro. The spreads alone are insane. They make no sense. It's like pointless to take trades. It's like insane how big the spreads are. So what you need, DM me. I will give you the exchange I use, Blowfin. This is like by far the best crypto exchange for leverage. You can go up to 100x leverage. I also have, if you guys want, a prop firm that does crypto only. It's called Bitfunded. All you gotta do is DM me. I'll send you the links. And then also WeX is another great exchange, regulated in the US. You're good to go. And it is just as good as Binance. Do not trade crypto on KOT Forex and things like that. Is not where you want to trade crypto with leverage. That is not, I mean, even on Forex, I'm actually leaving KOT Forex to go to like Nash Markets or something else. Really, yeah, like really soon. KOT Forex has the worst spreads. It is not a good exchange or broker. So, if, yeah, DM me, dude. Tricka Rick, dude, DM me. I will personally send you my link for WeX and Blowfin. It is by far so much better. I mean, that's where you gotta trade crypto leverage. And they also have a demo account for you guys wanting to learn and just practice and stuff like that. Okay, Tesla's thoughts. I got you, my man. And yeah, if you guys want me to look at something, if you got an entry at a certain price, let me know what it was so I can go over it and tell you. If you guys were with me, when was this? February 20th, I marked up this short on Tesla. This is on the 4-hour, guys. I mean, I didn't even personally take the trade. Someone asked me to look up Tesla, and I marked this up. And look how good. Look how good. I prefer Blowfin the best. So send me a DM, bro. I will personally give you guys my link for Blowfin. I'm not a sponsor for them, but I'm all for just helping everybody. All I'm doing is helping you guys, man. So I really do appreciate this, the follows, the subscribes, whatever you want to call it. I do appreciate, if you go on my YouTube page, man, I make a lot of videos for you guys that are more long content. And I started a basic boot camp. I'm not finished making it, but I want to teach you guys that want to learn how to trade from ground one, from the floor up, all right? And then, so Tesla, where was the price? Hold on. Spot buy at 223 for a swing trade. Enough support at 233.33. Okay, 223. So I'm guessing you got in, let's see. I'm guessing you got in 223 was right. This is going to look a lot like Apple, my friend. So you got in about here. Okay. Let me get rid of that swing short idea. Here's the problem is it might come down to 216, 215 area. Okay. I really think we might, because this is the fib level. And we're probably going to come down to 216. This is going to milk probably down. But let's look at it. So, yeah, it's failing to break, just like Apple. Most likely it's moving very slow. It is pumping again right now in a green candle. We're just going to have to wait and see. But, the money flow is starting to go towards the bulls. This is good. This is on the 1 hour. You could hold 223. Okay. You could hold. I would take 50% profit and move your stop loss up to break even. So then you're covered. Okay. At least take 50% right now if you want to keep holding it. At least do that. Because right now we're breaking down on the 15-minute. But we will see. Remember, this is at 230 to 232. This is all internal support. It's not, this is internal. So this gets swiped 9 times out of 10. The external, which would be more towards 222 on the 15-minute, 221 to 223 would be external on the 15-minute. And that holds better than the internal liquidity, right? And I need to do a full video on liquidity and internal liquidity and stuff like that for you guys on my YouTube page. Nvidia, we marked this up days ago, and look at that, it bounced right off of one of you guys wanted me to look up Nvidia like a few days ago, just on Tuesday, and we hit this support zone, and we are now in profit if anyone took it. I don't personally trade stocks, I trade crypto and Forex, but I love marking it up for you guys. Total market cap is dramatically dropping, not good. Kraken acquired Ninja Trader. NT does futures could mean we could get real crypto futures. I did not know that. That's cool. But I still would never trade leverage on Kraken. It's the fees are trash. My stepbrother, I was fighting with my stepbrother for a long time. He kept wanting to trade on Kraken. I'm like, dude, the fees are garbage. Like, use Blowfin or WeX or, you know, there's so many better options. Wow, look at Radium. That thing really dropped. Jupiter milking, Caspa milking down, Uniswap. Uniswap's holding its fucking zone, dude. The Uniswap doesn't want to die. AVAX dropping. Chainlink dropping. I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna bleed out on a lot of these coins, and we're gonna hit some support levels that will bounce. Okay, XRP officially broke the channel. Well, Fred, we day trade here on this channel, so we take advantage of the ups and the downs. So this morning, we took a short on Solana, as you can see, is in profit. And then BTC, we took a short and is in profit. But we are bouncing off the support level. So we need to see how this plays out. Let's watch Bitcoin closely, guys. I want to see hopefully another drop here. Hopefully drop down. If we break above that, I need to start taking some profits and moving my stop loss. Right? Just like I told you guys on the Apple or whatever trade. Yeah, Apple. I gotta live. I'm a man of my word, and if I tell you guys something, I gotta do the same, right? But Fred, yeah, long term, this is a great DCA level, the 80,000 range. The bull run's not over, my friend. It is not over. I promise that. So now we're watching Bitcoin. We're getting some momentum to the upside. This is on the 1 minute though. Nothing. So we are in this support right here. I was worried this could, and I know I marked my trade up to here, but I wanted to see if we could get down to like 83 even. My take profit zone is 83. Okay, let's see what it does here, guys. Let's see what it does. Let me zoom in just a little bit. There you go. So we're watching Bitcoin because we do have this short idea. We need to see what it wants to do. If we break above that little thing, I'm going to be a little worried. I'll have to take some profits. Okay, here we go. We're getting there. Now, I want it to come down, obviously, because I got 2 trades that are bearish. While we're waiting on this, if anyone has a stock, crypto, commodity, Forex, pair you want me. So, thank you for asking that, my friend. The indicators I'm using are Market Cipher A and B, which is this one. This is Market Cipher B. Market Cipher A is on the actual chart. And volume index here. This is the volume. And then I have a RSI down here. So Market Cipher A is the one. Market Cipher A and B are the ones that I've been practicing and learning a lot. It actually is really, really cool. The real version is like $1,500. And some of the top crypto traders I know, they're, one of the guys made it. His name's Crypto Face on YouTube. I would highly recommend following him. They made this indicator and it's really good. This is the free version. So on TradingView, if you type in Market Cipher A and B. You can get them for free, but they're not the pro. The real version is obviously a lot better, and I have yet to buy it, but it is on my list of things that I want to get very soon. And yeah, it's very helpful, man. You can see where the money flow. You know, like here, we saw that the money flow is starting to go for the bulls, but then you can tell that basically the bears have had this money completely to the downside forever. Over here, when we went bullish, you see the money flow really went up, right? It was calling some top signals, but it just continued to go. Like here, it's called a top signal, and it did. It did drop, right? But then it pulled back and went to the upside and more because the money flow was so heavy to the bulls. You can see that, and this is really a useful, a helpful indicator. So we're now getting a green candle again. Might need to secure some profits. I might need to, guys. I might need to, because remember, this is on the 1 minute. This is on the 1 minute chart. Follow me, guys, on TikTok. They're joining in. Follow me on YouTube also. All In with Mitch. It's all one word though. All In with Mitch. Creating a brand, the all in mindset. You don't half-ass anything. You go all in. Oh man, this is definitely going up. Okay, let's close. %50. It's definitely bouncing up. Solana. But let's see what it does at this next level. Yeah, we are on Bitcoin, my man. We are on a short on Bitcoin that I took this morning. I took this short idea. We're currently, yeah, I stream every day, bro. I appreciate you guys watching. So if you go on my YouTube, I make the videos. I'm trying to go live on YouTube and on TikTok at the same time. But on YouTube, man, I don't have enough subscribers yet that the lives don't pick up enough people. So like right now I'm recording a video for my YouTube. I'll post after we're done. And then I go live on the TikTok. But I want to go live on both. It's just I don't have enough subscribers yet on YouTube that it will. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's going to drop some more. Oh, we're breaking out, guys. We are actually breaking out. Let's see what happens. Oh, let's see, because if we react back down, give me 1 second, guys. Continue to watch it for me. Where, Jim, bro? Okay, I'm back. I thought my dog did something, but I guess he didn't. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, did we low-key get rugged from the conference this morning? No, I don't. Moving average. I like to use the golden ratio for not. Yes. The golden zone ratio indicator. Let me check it out for you. Golden zone. You said golden. Oh, golden ratio. Golden ratio Fibonacci indicator. Okay. Trying to see. The orange line. Only the white and orange lines, though. Okay. Oh, yeah. I see. Okay, that's cool. I got the fib tool over here right now. I see what's going on. So you see how the orange line went right into the 618 to the 5. And the white line is on the 786. It's like literally, I already had the fib marked up. This is actually pretty cool. This is pretty cool. White line went up to the 382, right? And then this is actually this is a cool tool. I'll be honest with you, this orange line is hitting this level right now. Don't know yet if I should close entirely. We are waiting to see how it reacts here. We'll see in a second. See what it says. Look at that. The orange line's right on the 618. Went to here. The white line's going through the 786. So the orange line is like the 618 level. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. The orange line is basically like the 382 or the 618, and then the white line, you can see here, went to the 5. I already had these fibs marked out, so I'm like looking at it. Let me turn off Market Cipher A so you can see it clean. Oh, there's a green line too. Okay, I didn't see the green line. Oh no, that's for my other. That's for the MA cross. Okay. That's cool. I like it. I don't like that Salon. They're reacting bullish right now. I just don't know if it's going to be short-lived or if I should worry about this. I don't know. It's got some movement. Man, I might have to close my trades because the money flow is definitely going to the upside. The hell? What's going on here? The whole chart's fucked up. Why is it? That's crazy. What is going on here? What the fuck? You guys see this? The golden ratio is fucking up my chart, dude. The fuck? Don't think I can use that now. What is that? The other plots. Oh. Okay, now it's working. That was weird. That was weird. Okay. So there it is. Alright, so this way I can give you guys a full screen and get rid of the indicators. I'll start doing that so you guys can see better. Thank you for everyone tuning in. We are on this Bitcoin short, kind of deciding on what to do. I mean, we're in profits. We're getting a reaction to this support zone, which I knew would happen. I just was hoping it would kind of milk through it. But it's actually, well, I mean, we're still not over yet. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten greedy. It kind of helped. I could have closed the trade and just called it a day. I mean, what can happen is we might come up to here and then drop again from here. But we're waiting to see how this reacts. We're about to find out. Okay, there we go. Let's see what Market Cipher is saying. Market Cipher is calling the red dot right now. There we go. There we go. Let me zoom in for you guys. Starting to go. Come on, baby. Go down. Yeah, Solana came right up to that little resistance. Market Cipher called a red dot. Here we go. It's dropping. I did take like 30-40% of my profit off of Bitcoin, the trade on Bitcoin, but It's all good. Yeah, I know. I'm starting to wonder if we need to go bullish, but the market is not. Let's go look at the SP 500. Let me see something. Yeah, dude, the SP 500 is doing the same fucking thing as. Oh, it's dropping faster though. Look at that. Oh man. But let's see some. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, SPs is in a weird. It's in the middle. If we get down to here, it would make more sense that it recovers. But from here, I think it's gonna melt. I do have to go, guys, soon. Please like, subscribe, follow. Okay, we're getting a good reaction. Subscribe, like, follow. Go to my YouTube page for more long-term videos. All in with Mitch, all one word. Let's see if we got any new subscribers. Nope, no one's went and subscribed on YouTube. Come on. Let's go follow over on YouTube because I'm trying to go live on YouTube for you guys every day. You can see my full screen. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I appreciate any follows on here, but also on X and on YouTube. All you have to do is type in all in with Mitch, all one word. Let me watch this. So here it is. All you gotta type on anything. On every platform. All in with Mitch, all one word. Thank you, my man. Jimmy, I appreciate it. The RSI is actually about to cross right now. You see it at the top. Down here, my man. Right here. It's about to cross and it's at the top. But this is only on the 5 minute. This is only 5 minute. Crypto Hill, welcome, my man. Yeah, you guys go subscribe, like, follow, man. On here and on YouTube. And trying to give you guys good trades, good setups, and also good information every day. How's everyone doing today? QQQ? Let me go check for you, man. I'll check. QQQ. Okay. Quest Corp or Investor Co? Which one is it? Investor Co? If we went bull, wouldn't it go straight across? Just asking. Well, the RSI is, I mean, the market cipher is showing that the first one, okay. Cedar Trust. Let me hold up. Oh, it didn't pop it on. What the hell? Sorry, I was getting a phone call. Okay, there we go. QQQ. All right, so let's go to the daily real quick so I can get a good eye on it. So on the daily, well, let me zoom out. We have been going bullish now, but oh wow, holy shit. This thing is, dude, this thing rallied. Wow. 800, I mean, almost 900%, or about 900%. This thing is bullish as a motherfucker, dude. We are sitting on the 2.7 on the fib on the daily. Let's break it down. Get in there. Let's now fib. So we hit the 2.7, we bounced. Let's now fib from here to here. And right now, we're at the 618 almost, the 5 to the 618. I mean, I wouldn't trade this in between. We're extremely bullish, but yes, it is breaking down. But it's just in a weird, this is trading in the middle. So I would not jump in anything right now. I would not even take a short on this because it's extremely bullish and it, like, yeah, it did break this support here and here. It broke, it changed channel, but then it bounced right back. If you're looking for a short, it's at the 5 right now. I would not personally trade this. I would wait for it to come back down to here at 29,000 and see what it does. This could play out like that. I just would not trade it right now, my man. I would definitely wait. I would definitely wait. Go back, check Bitcoin. It's still reacting. Hopefully gonna come down. I do gotta get going soon. Actually, pretty much now. Everyone that's on, please like, subscribe, follow. I go live every day. I also am on YouTube trading and making videos. All in with Mitch. It's all you have to type in. Oh, there we go. I got 3 subscribers. I appreciate you guys, man. Over on YouTube, I got 3 more. I appreciate that. And I'm gonna start filming more. I appreciate it, Jimmy. I'm gonna start going. I mean, follow me on TikTok too. Don't get me wrong, and on X. I post on there all the like good news. Like on X, I'm reposting and posting like major news events related to crypto. And then on YouTube, I'm doing more long-term videos. On TikTok, I'm going live and making shorts. I need to make more shorts, honestly, but I'm staying consistent now. I'm going live and making videos every single fucking day. I'm not missing a beat. I really want to build a solid platform, and all I want to do is help you guys out, man. The other thing I was going to say is if anyone's really wanting to learn how to day trade, the same thing, Sparky, it's all in with Mitch on everything. Literally, Instagram, X, YouTube, and TikTok. All in with Mitch. It's all you gotta type in. Can't miss me. And it's all one word. All in with Mitch, one word. Alright, I'll type it in here. All in with Mitch, just one word. Copy and paste this. All in with Mitch, all one word. But, okay, we're getting the drop on Bitcoin. But what I was gonna say is, like on YouTube, I'm trying to do boot camp right now where it's like starting at the basics, and then I'm gonna do like the advanced trading boot camp. So it's like in the playlist. You can go to the playlist and pick out which one. But I need to film more on the basics and the advanced side. I was doing more market outlook type stuff, kind of like what we're doing now in trading. But what I was gonna say is I want to go live on YouTube more too. So. And then I also want to do, so you just literally just watch my screen a lot better. We just got news. Elon Musk, Doge, blocks $52 million payment to the World Economic Forum. That is good. Bitwise files, adding staking to its Ethereum ETF. President Trump calls on Congress to pass crypto stablecoin legislation. All right. Michael Saylor says Europe is going to need BTC. Yeah, they do. Everyone does. So, guys, the other thing I was going to say is, so if you're really wanting to learn how to trade and you're really wanting to learn like deep one-on-one, having mentor coaching, DM me on here. On TikTok, I will always respond. Also, DM me if you're wanting a really good crypto exchange, bro. I got Blowfin, and I also have Bitfunded, which is like if you want to just do a prop firm where you trade with their money, you pass 8% and then 5%, and then they give you the 10,000 or 20, whatever account you pick. Like 10,000 is $99. So you pass the test, then they give you the money. They don't have KYC, bro. And then the Blowfin doesn't have a KYC. And WeX doesn't have KYC. And it's in the US. Actually, on WeX, on this exchange, if you guys DM me, I'll send it to you. If you just register your email and phone number, you will get a free $100 to trade with. It's a no-brainer. They also have demo trading, and they also have copy trading. And I'm about to register to be a copy trader on Blowfin and on WeX, and then you like earn some of the fees or profits from the people that follow or copy trade you. And you can literally just copy trade them and just let it sit and do its thing. But you can also demo trade. and you guys could be going live with me and just demo trade at least, so then you can get the hang of trading with leverage and how it works. And you get what I'm saying? Like it's, you know, you're demo trading with, it's not real money, but that's what you practice with. That's how you get good at this. And yeah, if you guys want the education to really learn how to trade, bro, just DM me. I got you. BitTrue, because they're not KYC, just a matter of time before they. But does BitTrue have? It doesn't have leverage trading, does it? I have an account on BitTrue, but that was just buying for spot. It wasn't. But that's just buying spot. It's not leverage trading, I don't think. But Blowfin is so much cleaner and better. This is like way, way better. Okay, you can leverage. I mean, I personally would give Blowfin a chance because it's a super good exchange, bro. I have an old account on BitTrue. I know about BitTrue. I haven't used that thing in a very long time. I was just buying spot. I used to have to buy XRP on BitTrue and then send it over. I was buying XRP at 30 cents when it was still going through the lawsuit. Okay, as we're watching this, Bitcoin's about to fucking cut through. I want to slice through this. Let's watch. Before I go, let's see what Bitcoin does here. This is the moment of truth. I hope it slices right through this like butter. Let's see what it does, guys. Bitcoin, drop, drop, drop. Everyone that's on. Nice, nice. 17 cents, hell yeah. Everyone, follow, like, subscribe on the TikTok, but also the YouTube. All in with Mitch. All one word. All in with Mitch. And then this is actually going to get posted. This I'm filming for YouTube as we're going live on TikTok. This video will be up on there. So you can just see the screen share. You can literally just see exactly what I'm doing, kind of closer. I know it's kind of hard to watch TikTok on watching through my phone, but I got to build up the followers, because like the TikTok live, if I go TikTok live on my computer, it doesn't just get random people. It's only really for the people watching you, kind of like on YouTube. It's hard to get the momentum built up. I gotta build up the followers on here before I can get what I'm saying. Okay, Bitcoin's reacting again. Might have to close these trades. I might have to. Dude, that shit is annoying. Why does it keep doing that? I'm gonna have to just turn it off. Okay, on Bitcoin, I'm just gonna Bitcoin trade, I'm closing on every account. Solana trade is still active. I gotta decide what to do with that one. No, we're just getting tiny movements in the market lately. It's been a weird time trading, bro. It's been blowfin. Just Sparky, DM me and I'll send you the actual, just the link. I'll send you the link directly. Just literally, I'm about to end this live. Just send me a little DM, bro. Here. Yeah, just DM me. So I have a message from you. Yeah, just DM me real quick. As soon as we get off, I'll send you the link. So, literally in just a minute. Because this is reacting from this zone. I might just have to close these. Solana. I have to close the Solana trade too. I mean, it's not like we got what we wanted. We got a little trade. It's a 1 to 3. Like, I got what I wanted. It wasn't like some huge trade or nothing, but you know, right now the market, you gotta just be in and out right now. It's such a weird time right now and then especially because yesterday we had a major push up, and markets basically kind of, you know, it can't just do that every day. It can't just go parabolic every day. XRP did really good yesterday, obviously. So, yeah, we're just kind of having like a little downturn today. Nothing too crazy. I mean, who knows? Solana and Bitcoin, they could just take off from these levels right now, but I was thinking this shit would just get melted through, but reacting. Alright, guys. I'm going to close it up for the day. A little bit later, I do have a business. I sell used cars outside of day trading, so I do got to get about my day. I got some stuff I got to go handle. Hey, I appreciate everyone, man. I appreciate everyone that tuned in. I really do. Follow, like, subscribe on here, but also follow, like, subscribe on the YouTube page because I'm posting more long-term content and videos on YouTube. All In with Mitch, one word. Just All In with Mitch on, and then on X too. Follow me on X because I'm posting the news events on here every day, right? So follow my X. It'll be this guy. All in with Mitch, all one word, and on Instagram too if you want. I need to start posting more on Instagram, but yeah, I'm constantly posting news events on here towards crypto. All right, guys, have a good day. Yeah, hold on. I was on TikTok live.